of Jesse came a branch of peace, full of wisdom, power, and understanding deep. The Spirit of the Lord rests upon him still. Counsel and might, and the fear of God's will.
Counsel and might, and the fear of God's will. The Spirit rests on him. The Spirit breathes through him. Justice rolls like water, mercy like the wind. The Spirit lives in me, the same that raised the King. I'm walking in that power. Let your kingdom come again.
The wolf lies down beside the lamb. A little child leads them by the hand. No harm, no fear on all God's hill.
All God's hill.
The earth knows the glory of his will.
Spirit of wisdom,
fall fresh again.
teach us within.
Teach us within.
Spirit of counsel,
Spirit of
Spirit of might,
rest on your people through the
the Spirit rests on him.
Now the Spirit lives in
Lives
me.
in me.
Fill this temple, breathe your peace until the world can see the righteousness
Righteousness, faithfulness,
are the belt around his.
around his waist.
I'm covered in his mercy,
Mercy,
standing in